Let me finish my bit. Let me finish.
Bunge ya Senate egomanite nyumba-ini ya iciriro nitereirie kwaririria mutaratara wa ugai wa kigina kia thirikari cia matura riri rita ria mugwanja ndereti ino kwaga kubituka. Ndereti ino irirongoreirie kubitukia njira iria kigina kia thirikari cia matura kiagereire kugayanio ikoretwo igitumura ndugamano nditu maseneta ma makiria ma county 19 makiregana na mutaratara uria wirigireirwo gutigirira ati county iria ciena andu aria aingi ni ciamukira mbeca iria nyingi makiria.
And Mr. Speaker, I'm happy that this battle has now come to an end, and we are now 47 counties under the territory of Kenya negotiating for good funding of all our 47 counties from the national government.
In a majoritarian situation, Mr. Speaker, the winner takes it all. But is it the way we want to go for this country? No. Because, Mr. Speaker, we must understand that a pain to one Kenyan is a pain to all Kenyans.
Senator Elgeyo Marakwet ugite ati bari na dirisa ya kwaria na kuiguanira njira iria mbuthu ya kunina ndugamano ino undu uria witikaniirio ni maseneta maria mangi na njira ya gwikiria kura riendekithia ria gutiria igiikaro kia muthenya wa keri nginya miario ya bethire.
Mr. Speaker, I wish our conversation about those counties, Mr. Speaker, would be done when we are visiting those areas.
That the leadership at the rise of the House should go and consult and choose days for consultations so that we come back.
Senate igacokereria giikaro gia kanana igia guciririra ikereka ria kathatu ria ugai wa kigina kia thirikari cia matura kiumia twerekeire no mbere yo county state gucaya ringi tondu ni cireketie kurutiro kigina gia gucietirithia kiria gikurugamirira mabuthiro ma bata. Thutha wa bunge ya Senate gutiriria giikaro gia kwaririria ugai wa kigina wa matura o ringi riri rita ria mugwanja riu kire gitigarite nio gucokanirira ndundu na niguo riria magatu gucokereria magacoka na rwario rumwe. Ngeribotera Inooro TV de county-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Muriithi.